finished off the steering. It's pretty much ready to go. It's ready to drive out. So that this is the final look. We're going to start on the Bullbar.
Yep.
See how quick we can get it done. So stick around. Alright, so bumpers off, or bars off, and we're getting the trailer in place. So pretty much, not much more really. Might have to chop some of this off too.
Hey?
Might have to chop some of this out to clear the winch.
Yeah.
We're going to at least get the winch in place and go from there. Dylan's unwrapping the bar right now. Yeah, as you can see, there's not much to it really. So we're just going to keep plodding along and we'll come back. So, cradle is fully bolted down. Winch is in place. We need to obviously cut that bracket to mount it to your bar.
Yeah.
Right. So we're just going to, they've got all the guys that have jumped in, they've got it unwrapped. So we're going to start putting it on the car. Sound good? If they get to the road party, they'll be like, no!
Did he like go into his phone and look at...
Yeah.
Oh, really? You reckon he'll be doing it?
Oh,
Do you want me to stick something there? It'll be right.
just hold it where you think is right.
Right there. Yeah, about so just finger width.
Ready?
Yeah. We'll just come back more. That's far back to
I've pushed it. I think it's as far as it's going to go.
It doesn't like the guards this side, does it?
No, I don't think it will. Even this side's the same.
Yeah.
Like it kind of follows the guard.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's how they sit. Because it still leaves a bit of room in the front here. But you know that's what's happening. You know. I think it's made so that if it takes any damage, it's got a gap, just like a slight hit. You know. It's got. Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
And if I have to, oh, the clutch just go through here. See?
Right.
Do you want me to do that side?
Yep.
Probably hearing me talk a lot of gibberish on the camera. Hold on, it's like way off. That's good tilt. Oh, this is why I use the it's both of the same.
Bars on. Now we're just going to put the holes in for the pin, and then pin, and then that's all we're doing for today. Alright, so that took us an hour from filming.
What, the whole bar?
Yeah, since I put the cradle on. So
Wow, that's pretty good.
So, right, so bar, pretty much it's on the car, you've seen. We're just going to hook up the indicators now, and that's it. We'll deal with the winch another day.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow once we finish
Yeah, well,
my car.
I'll come over with some point and I'll get
Yeah,
your car.
that's it. So, I hope you enjoyed this. At least it's a video. And now we can
it's going to be, I think there'll be a lot more now.
Yeah, we all, now we can
Some
actually
stuff
get out.
yeah.
My car will be not fixed, but fixed. I just had a few things I wanted to fix. And now Dylan's got his car to usable. Yeah, he'll be happy.
Yeah, I'm just glad now I've got that suspension in, new suspension in now, the bull bar to go, which is good.
Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.